Hello, everyone. Welcome to Hamilton, and thank you for attending this important event, which is going to announce one of the most significant initiatives in the 95-year history of Hamilton Medical Center. Some of the recent initiatives that we've performed over the last few years have included the introduction of a level 3 neonate unit about 4 years ago, expanded medical ICU, which has just been completed, expansion of the emergency room waiting area, and expansion of the Brandley Wellness Center and Quinton. And finally, the 3 new cardiac cath labs that were put in place about 2-3 years ago. I'm excited today to talk about the rich history and growth and innovation, including the Cancer Treatment Center that dated back to 1975 with the opening of the hospital's new cobalt radiation unit, which marked the first use of radiation therapy in North Georgia. Today, we're excited to share plans with you to take the next step forward with the development of a comprehensive community cancer institute to bring the most advanced technology and cancer services to the region. Our commitment to provide the seamless delivery of cancer services which support the mission of Hamilton to provide the best care possible to our friends, family, and neighbors. Next, Gary Howard is going to get up and talk to us a little bit about the program itself, and then Scott Sellers is going to talk about the initiative for the foundation. Gary?
Well, thank you, Jeff. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. We appreciate your being here. It's important for us to share with you personally today this innovation that we announce and that we launch today. So, what if all cancer care could be under one roof? What if all diagnostic and treatment modalities were conveniently located in one place? And what if it was right across the street from one of the nation's top 100 hospitals, Hamilton Medical Center? Hamilton's Board of Trustees have taken the bold step to fund a $30 million expansion for development of a new comprehensive cancer institute. Our patients rely on our investments every time they trust us to care for them. The system chairman, Lamar Lyle, and other trustees joining us today to make this announcement of this historic innovation in cancer services to our region. The Hamilton Cancer Institute is to be located directly across the street from the main entrance to Hamilton Medical Center at this site shown here on Memorial Drive. You know, planning has been underway for over 18 months with engagement of architects and consultants expert in this field. The important thing to us was to make sure we developed a patient-focused care center, one that cancer survivors will tell you is important to the holistic approach to their care, to their treatment, and to their recovery. With advanced technology in an environment that provides for that healing process with all the support services that you expect to find in a state-of-the-art cancer institute. The architect's rendering here in these 3 perspectives provide you some clearer understanding of its location. In the top left is a view from aerial view from the northeast toward the southwest of the entrance to the Cancer Institute off Memorial Drive. Here to the right is a view from the southeast toward the northwest, showing the second level main entrance lobby, 2-story atrium lobby, and the various finishes are pulled together for a warm, inviting environment, including the warm wood treatment in the entrance and in the lobby, and certain brick and glazing that's similar to the current hospital construction. So it's obviously Hamilton. Then down below is a view looking toward the west on Memorial Drive. So on the left, you see the new Cancer Institute and the entrance. And then on the right, you see the main Hamilton Medical Center facility. Nationally recognized consultants conducted interviews during this 18 months. They reviewed a lot of data related to cancer care, where patients were seeking care and what type of care, and they developed a comprehensive plan. That was very important to us to make sure that it was going to be comprehensive as well as collaborative. Well, the natural question when you think about a development that commits $30 million would be, is it needed? You simply should look at current information on cancer to know that it definitely is. More than 1.6 million people will be diagnosed with cancer this year in the U.S. It means in this audience today that 1 out of 2 men will be diagnosed in their lifetime. 1 out of 3 women will be diagnosed in their lifetime. It means just in this service area that nearly 1,300 new cancer cases will be diagnosed this year in 2016. It also means that nearly 11,000 people in this region alone are living with cancer today. So the information is so important, and as our population grows and ages, we also know the need for cancer services increase. The likelihood of contracting a cancer diagnosis when you're over age 65 is 10 times greater than under that age. So it's clear to us as we look at this data that cancer care is needed, and it's needed close to home in a world-class institute. So we believe that it does focus on the needs of the community. And it should, because that's why Hamilton exists. We're here only for one purpose. It's to provide care to this community and to meet the healthcare needs of the citizens of this region. Making sure that we bring advanced early detection diagnostics, the best treatment options, so that folks living in this area can access them easily and conveniently. All available, most importantly, in a caring environment, under the direction of the best clinical expertise, oncologists, radiation and medical surgeons, radiologists, pathologists, all together making sure that we provide the best up-to-date care possible. Nurses, expert technicians, and support staff so that we provide all elements of care that would be needed for a patient and for their family going through cancer treatment. So this initiative to develop Hamilton Cancer Institute will improve the patient experience through the integration of all of these services and modalities under one roof. Advancement to what's described in the healthcare vernacular as a level 3 cancer center, but with a holistic approach to care and dedicated to the best-in-class service. It's to be 3 levels, and this will show you each level. First, on the first floor, with an entrance off of Memorial Drive, through a 2-story parking structure, there is a covered entrance to the radiation oncology suites. It includes the addition of the state-of-the-art advanced linear accelerator in this location to replace the existing accelerator, providing for more precise and refined treatment, and also the capability of expanding with the second accelerator if the need should arise. But those patients have a covered separate entrance and waiting area and access to that treatment modality. On the second level, also ground level with an entrance off Memorial Drive and through a covered entrance, is the 2-story lobby atrium with access to a breast and diagnostic imaging centers expressly designed for women, so that as that early detection diagnostic services are achieved, they would have access to the clinical experts in this building under one roof if they need the advice and consultation of others concerning their tests. Also on this level, we hope to bring together medical oncology so that patients who are seeking treatment through medical oncology will have access to those physicians within the Cancer Institute. And it's also very important is patient supportive care, dietitians, other support that is necessary to assist the patient and their families as they go through treatment and recovery. A community conference center, and really a resource of rich information for patients to learn more about cancer and what the best options would be for treatment. The total facility is just over 37,000 square feet, and on the third floor would be medical oncology infusion. Why there? Well, it affords the best views for patients who sometimes spend hours getting infusion therapy. So they'll be looking to the northeast, toward the mountains, toward the Hamilton campus, overlooking the healing garden that's to be developed at the front entrance to the Cancer Institute. And so we believe that will be a very comfortable and warm environment for them to undergo their medical oncology treatment. So I ask you, can all the cancer care be integrated under one roof? Well, we think it can and that it should be. And today is only the beginning. Now I'm pleased to introduce Chairman of the Whitfield Healthcare Foundation, Scott Sellers. The foundation is the philanthropic arm of Hamilton and has been so important to the development and expansion of services for our community. And he'll tell you about the foundation's support for this project. Scott?
Good afternoon. It's an exciting day. The Whitfield Healthcare Foundation was established in 1975 and for over 40 years has cultivated charitable gifts in support of the Hamilton healthcare system. During that time, we've conducted 7 capital campaigns and raised nearly $25 million to assist Hamilton in its growth and its delivery of health care. During the last year, the Foundation Board of Trustees has been excited to hear the plans of Hamilton Medical Center to develop a new approach to the delivery of cancer care services through the development of this Hamilton Cancer Institute. Cancer certainly touches the lives of nearly everyone in our community through personal experience or family or through friends. And the foundation believes it's vitally important to support this project. The Whitfield Healthcare Foundation Board of Trustees believes our community in Northwest Georgia needs and deserves the Hamilton Cancer Institute. Therefore, the foundation today gladly announces its goal to raise $8 million in gifts to support the Cancer Institute. We encourage individuals, families, businesses, and foundations from across our region to join us in our capital campaign to bring cancer care services at Hamilton to the highest level. Thank you for being here. Jeff?
We hope that this overview gives you an understanding of why we asked you to be here today for the announcement, and we're very excited about what this is going to do for our community here. The foundation and its support is critical to the accomplishments of what we've done here so many years in the past and to what we're going to be doing in the future. We recognize that this event is just an announcement about a building, but it's much more than a building. It's about the clinicians that practice medicine in it. And we are very honored to have Drs. Nagibat and Verma here with us today, as well as Dr. McKay and a number of others that are supportive to this initiative. So we want to thank them for being here. We would be open to any questions that you might have with regards to this. There are certainly billboards out in the exit out here for any questions you've got for us or the physicians to be able to address. We're here for that, and we want to thank you again for being here. And this is just the beginning.